This is the new Thinkware U1000 Plus. Will be available soon, but we just got one to start testing. But let's see what's in the box of the new Thinkware U1000 Plus. Got the box here. Open it up. Guess what? It looks just like the old U1000. So if you're a fan of the old school U1000, it's going to be exactly the same as it was before. Absolutely no difference. All the same buttons. Microphone button, Wi-Fi button, and power button all built in there. You have the SD card slot in the same spot. And then you have here the power cable in, the external antenna, and it has the radar plug-in. So you can actually do radar parking mode on the front camera. So let's take a look at what this is. The new U1000 Plus, and here's the old one. As you can see, there's just some minor differences, like the silver trim here. So that's how you're going to kind of tell the difference between you have it. When we actually look at the back, it looks like it's going to be the exact same mount. So this actually could be very good information for people who currently have a U1000, because you should be able to actually upgrade to U1000 Plus quite easily. Let's find out if the mount, that's actually what I'd be excited to do. I installed lots of these Thinkware U1000, so let's find out if the mount is exactly the same. So this, check it out, fits on the old original. So that means your new U1000 Plus will actually fit on the same mount as well. The actual power connections and everything are exactly the same. So that is good news for people who are looking to upgrade to a U1000 Plus. So I'm excited for that. So what else do you get in the box? Well, you get the hardwire cable. So take that out of the bag so you can see that. This is what allows you to get parking mode, right? Power ground ignition, all in there. You also get your rear camera cord, right? Typically you want to mount the right angle one directly into the front of the unit and run this back to the rear camera. At least that's how we like doing it. We find it a lot easier that way. And it also comes with a 64 gig SD card. So the old prior U1000 actually had a 32 gig card in the box. So they're now including a 64 gig. So you're going to get more record time than you did before. Last but not least, the rear camera. Now what it looks like they've omitted was the cigarette lighter cable. But to be honest with you, I have like a box of like 100 of these cigarette lighter cables because they're barely ever used. Not a lot of people are doing that anymore. So personally for me, I don't think it's necessary. But there's a couple different things that the U1000 Plus is going to be capable of that the old U1000 was not capable of. And one of those things is going to be using the multiplexer, which will allow you to actually add an interior camera to your U1000 Plus now. So we're going to be testing how it works, how the video quality works on the U1000 Plus. We're going to see how it does compared to the U3000 and a couple other products that are in its same price range. Either way, I'm excited to get the U1000 Plus and start playing with it.